The Heritage JV team is bigger than our boys.
Look at them.
What?
No, they didn't get a touchdown. He knocked him out of bounds. He stepped out of bounds.
Yeah, he stopped the run. He didn't score. In Newport News.
I never saw it. I never paid. I guess maybe never pay attention till we leaving, and I just figured out on the road helping with traffic.
And it's normally more when it's Newport News against Newport News.
Good tackle, bro.
Marcon Williams. Enough yardage for a first down.
All right, guys, you've got to cover him. I don't care how big he is.
Looks like that might be Jordan Foster on that tackle.
Oh, no.
Jordan Foster.
That's, you know what? It might be. He wasn't
So
sure.
it might have been somebody.
I'm going to have to walk across over there up to the booth.
That's all right, owner.
I drove to. And I'm trying to
Sean Williams, the ball carrier. Looks like the lead tackler on that one was
Let's see. Yeah. All right, pick a name. Yeah, Kyle Green.
No, not him. Not the
Been here longer than Todd.
Got the snack bars in the breezeway.
In the tunnel, yeah.
He had a cramp.
Sean Williams, the ball carrier again.
For him.
I can see you messing up the name, but don't add letters. That's what I'm talking about right now. Step back screen play.
Up the field, baby. He gotta stop.
I just want to here. You pour. I'm going to hold my napkin.
Marcon Williams, the ball carrier. Jerron Walker.
You got been forever.
Newsom on the keeper.
Good hit, Javon.
John Williams, the ball carrier.
Okay, maybe he's not done.